Hello and welcome to another HTML5 tutorial from wizardtutorial.com. My name is Tom and today we're going to talk about the HTML5 Cite Element, C-I-T-E element. Not to be confused with the HTML Cite attribute. They have two different meanings. So let's discuss what it does first. Back in HTML4 and previous versions of HTML, the cite element could be used to reference a person's name, a title of a piece of work, for example, a poem, book, movie, play, Kate course, Kate court case. Wow. So that's what it used to mean. Now in HTML5, we no longer can reference people's names. It's only a title of a piece of work, like a painting, or a movie, or a film, or a poem. So that's what we use it for. So let's take a look at the HTML5 cite elements syntax first. It's pretty simple. Like every other element, it's opening caret, C-I-T-E, closing caret. And to close it out, it's opening caret, backslash, C-I-T-E, closing caret. So this is the syntax. Now this has no attributes with it. You can use global attributes if you like. Alright. So we got this set up. Now let's make this, real. So let's do an example here. We'll put it inside p tags, alright? Because most of your content should go in p tags, so it's spaced properly. We're gonna cite a movie. Let's do Top Gun. That was one of my favorite movies growing up. So we're citing Top Gun. Let's say this was a good film in the 80s. Alright. So that's our, we're citing Top Gun. And this was a good film in the 80s. So let's see what that does. I'm going to save my document. I'm going to go over to my browser. Refresh my browser. Slide it over so you guys can see it. And now you see Top Gun is italicized. And it says this was a good film in the 80s. Alright. So something I want to bring up. When they came out and said in HTML5 that we should not be referencing people's names, what do we do if we have something, for example, like this? J. Edgar, which was a movie came out a couple of years ago, directed by Clint Eastwood. Now, I spelled it wrong. Edgar. I believe that's correct. Now, do we use the cite element because we're referencing a person's name? But we're referencing a movie. In this case, I would use the cite element because we're referencing a movie. If we said he worked for the FBI, then we're referencing his name. But if we say directed by Clint Eastwood, then I would say we're referencing the movie and use cite. So if you have any questions about the cite element, please leave a comment on YouTube or on our website at wizardtutorial.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.